Did you know that about 1 in every 3 homes in Utah has elevated radon levels? Radon is a naturally occurring radioactive gas that enters your home from the soil beneath your foundation. The dangerous part is you can't see it, smell it, or taste it. Yet radon is the leading cause of lung cancer among people who have never smoked, contributing to approximately 21,000 lung cancer deaths every year in the United States. The good news is that protecting your family is simple. Every Utah home should be tested for radon. Testing your home is quick, affordable, and the only way to know if your home has elevated radon levels. If high levels are found, radon mitigation is the most effective way to reduce your family's long-term exposure. At Utah Radon Defense, we help families across Utah create healthier homes through professional radon testing, custom mitigation systems, continuous radon monitoring, backed by proven results and our Shield promise. Don't wait until it's too late to find out. Protect what matters most. Schedule your radon assessment today.